No, absolutely not. We had several records broken. And by the way, that video was sent in by my friend's husband, Vinny. Hi, Vinny. Hey, Francesca. Thanks for sending that our way. All right. So the record high temperature for today, the all-time hottest temperature that we've ever had in Tampa, 100 degrees. Yeah, we never made a 100-degree temperature. Those records for Tampa go back to April of 1890. So very impressive. But we also had other records broken for today's date in Brooksville, Ruskin, Winter Haven, and St. Pete. But again, Tampa was the big mega one because we never hit that triple-digit number, believe it or not. Some of that does have to do with the sea breeze, why we never hit it before. Where that airport reading is, it's very close to the water. Plus, we usually have storms this time of the year. The storms help us out as well. Now, tomorrow and Tuesday, the heat rolls on. We have another weather impact alert from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. By now, you know why the impact would be those high heat index values in the triple digits. And then we actually have regular air temperature, not even factoring in the humidity, in the triple digits. So stay cool, hydrate, please take this heat seriously. It can be dangerous. Heat is actually one of the top killers when it comes to weather-related deaths. As we look at the heat advisory, still ongoing through the National Weather Service. That's what's highlighted in that pretty salmon color. Not so pretty when you think of the effects of the heat, right? And then there's a couple extreme heat warnings highlighted in that fuchsia color, mainly for the states that really don't experience this type of heat that often. Now, they do have a different criteria, but hot is hot, right? Temperatures right now in the low 80s, upper 70s in places like Brooksville, Lakewood Ranch, Sarasota, Wauchula, places that were fortunate enough to see the rain for today. We did have a few severe thunderstorm warnings earlier. That rain has pushed off the coast and we are sitting much drier. We did have a couple impressive storm reports. Again, severe thunderstorm warning. Usually we have to have winds closer to 60 miles per hour. That can initiate severe thunderstorm warning. Also, if we have some hail in that, this was mainly a gusty wind event. Thunder and lightning, that can come with any storm. That doesn't trigger a severe thunderstorm warning. As we look at the big picture here, that ridge is still in place, although it will be breaking down over the next couple of days. Overnight low for tonight, 82, and that's it. That thick, muggy air hangs on. And then for tomorrow, 97 for that daytime high. But again, that's just the air temperature, not factoring in that humidity. As far as the rain, we could get a little shower for tomorrow, maybe a storm as we move into the evening. This is just ahead of 3 p.m. You can see by 7 o'clock, anything that we do receive would be pretty much wrapped up. But the moisture does continue to increase as we move into Tuesday and Wednesday midweek. Until then, it's going to be hot and steamy, and that's why those weather impact alerts are ongoing.